Welcome back to another episode of Cabin Fever Astronomy from the Edelman Planetarium. Tonight, head outside to view the International Space Station fly over New Jersey. We'll show you how. The International Space Station, or ISS, orbits above the Earth at an altitude of 250 miles, once every 90 minutes, and can frequently be spotted passing overhead. Tonight, at 9:15, the ISS will pass overhead from the northwest horizon towards the southeast, passing between Venus and the bright star Capella, before fading between the twin stars Castor and Pollux in the constellation Gemini at around 9:18. An even higher and slightly brighter pass will be visible tomorrow evening, April 4th. It will start at 8:27 in nearly the exact same location in the northwest, but will pass higher overhead and will fade away at 8:33 p.m. between the constellations Leo the Lion and Virgo the Maiden. Launched in 1998, the ISS is an international collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, the Canadian Space Agency, the Japanese space program JAXA, and the Russian space program Roscosmos. Built in stages, it has been continuously occupied for nearly 20 years, when the first long-term crew arrived in November 2000. Construction and assembly of the space station continues, with several modules scheduled to launch to the station starting this year. Astronauts on the station perform experiments in biology, astronomy, meteorology, physics, and more. Missions typically last about 6 months, but some astronauts have spent more than 1 year in space. Identical twins, and now retired astronauts, Mark and Scott Kelly, recently participated in the twin study to discover the long-term effects of being in space. Because identical twins share the same genetic makeup, they are physically very similar, providing a unique opportunity to study how a year in space would change an astronaut's DNA. By keeping one of the astronauts on Earth and sending the other to space, biomedical researchers could put the nature versus nurture debate to the test in space and on Earth. The results are expected to help us better understand the long-term effects of being in space, in an effort to prepare future astronauts for a 3-year mission to Mars. Can't spot the station due to clouds? Or live outside New Jersey? Head over to heavens-above.com to find out when the ISS will pass over your location. We hope to see you back for the next episode of Cabin Fever Astronomy.